Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Pisces Finest, aka Michaela Jenlin, aka Pisces Finest Pisces. By the way, keep your hands clean. Today's video is going to be an install, but it's also going to be a chit chat install because I just want to talk about this little virus that's going around. I've heard a lot of conspiracies about it. I just want to address some, share my own opinions on what I think is going on, because apparently it's a lot going on this 26-inch Brazilian straight 13x6 parting wig from Allove hair. That's how the box looks. I did bleach some knots and pluck this wig, pluck the hairline. So I decided I'm gonna do a side part because I don't do side parts that often. So I was like, you know what, might as well do one for the end of the world. I honestly think that everybody's had coronavirus for a long time. There's no way this thing just came out of nowhere and it's already on the boxes for the cleaning products. It's not adding up, and there's something they're not telling us, obviously. They're just bringing awareness to it now because they want to take the spotlight off a lot of other things that are happening in the world right now. A lot of much worse things, honestly. The reason I haven't filmed a video in so long is because I've really just been traveling, trying to get away from coronavirus. No, after I went to DC, I went to Atlanta, and I'm just now getting back to LA with all this shit going on, and now we're on quarantine and stuff. It could be a lot worse, which I feel like honestly is gonna get, because nobody's really doing anything to prevent. People are still going out to clubs and parties. Is it that important? Y'all are that desperate? Please find a hobby. The glue that I'll be using today is Esha. By the way, this wig is 150% density. A lot of people have been asking me the density of the wigs, and sometimes I forget to mention it. So yeah, this one is 150. I already cut the lace in the middle, so I'm gonna flip it back and then apply the glue right where I want the wig to be placed. Honestly, I feel like the people who are doing what it takes to really stay clean of the coronavirus are the ones who will kind of not catch it and survive this, of course, because it's really just common sense. Staying clean, washing your hands, not touching doors, not touching your face. A lot of the population or people I follow and know were sick December, January, and I was sick actually right before Valentine's Day because someone got me sick. I feel like I had the sickness too. I feel like we all had it at one point. It didn't really affect us, and now it's affecting the population. Basically the majority of the population who actually care about their lives, who care about getting sick and stuff. The government, they're all old. They know that they are at high risk, so I don't know, but that's just me talking. Honestly, I could be wrong about all this. When you don't nip something in the bud early, it gets really bad really fast. And that's what I feel like is gonna happen with this coronavirus. Trump is suspending all the things that we actually need in order to get better. Who suspends testing kits and who doesn't allow that? Who doesn't allow the stuff that we need to honestly recover from this? And he just wants us to get worse so that we're in a bad place and that we actually need him. It honestly is. Let's get an up close look at this lace. This lace is actually a really good color because it's not too dark, it's not too light at all. It's actually perfect for my skin, so that's cool. They don't tell me what color the lace is, but I guess it's just the standard lace that comes with the wig. One thing I really can't believe is how the whole world just changed in a second. Everybody's on quarantine, there's no restaurants, we can't even go to the movies. I was planning on going to the movies today and we can't even go to the movies. The traffic outside my house, that's why you guys probably hear the car so much, because there's no traffic. People are just zooming by. It's usually they're just sitting there, Planes are cheap, flights are cheap, hotels are cheap. Y'all expect us to stop going places and doing stuff when everything is cheaper than it is on a regular. Maybe if shit was this cheap all the time, then we'd actually do stuff more often, but it takes a global health crisis in order to lower the prices. I can't wait to tell my kids about this. I won't believe what me and y'all dad went through when we first met. We were struck with the coronavirus and we couldn't even go on dates. Next, I'll be taking my Got to Be Free spray and spraying it everywhere that I applied the glue. One good thing that's coming out of this coronavirus, I guess, epidemic thing is how funny people have been on Twitter. The jokes have been constant, non-stop. The fact that they're joking makes it just kind of easier to all take in. So this is the first like in my lifetime, the first viral outbreak in the United States. Like, I've never been through anything like this before, so it's all new to us. 2020 has been, let's just say we might be restarting 2020 in 2021. Okay, next side. It's just so crazy to see like everything close down, life go from one way to another in like almost an instant. Like, life is just so crazy, and the fact that it's showing us like everything that we go off of, everything is basically just a fake social construct that we made up. We can change anything we want with the tap of a button, or the change of our mind can really change if we really want to, if it comes down to it, but it won't. I'm gonna cut the lace off, starting at the middle top and working my way. Thank you.
Where you want to put it at, princess?
On the bed.
On the bed?
Thank you.
No problem.
Gracias.
Girl, you look beautiful.
Thank you. Breakfast taco. The edge control that I'll be using is this CBD 24 karat gold edge tamer from Touchdown. There's a brand there. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so here's how the wig turned out. As you can see, like, here's the hairline and everything. Looks really good. The only thing I don't like is this like hump situation that's happening on this side, but it's not that bad. Okay, yeah, let me show you guys the length. It's pretty long. It's 26 inches. Like, comment, subscribe, and watch my YouTube story now that I have it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, wash your hands, and don't cough on anybody, don't go outside. And I'll see you in the next video.